Hey everybody, this is Troy again with Affiliate Marketing University. In today's video, like I promised, I'm going to go in more depth on how you can begin to make $500 to $1,000 a month passively with creating free courses on Udemy. Okay, so the method specifically that I'm going to show you is how to show individuals on how to use specific softwares like email marketing, different type of software. Specifically, this one is going to be email marketing, but the fact is that you're going to show them in a course-like setting or a course setting how they can utilize example. So I use GetResponse is an email marketing software for all of my email marketing, and it's actually an excellent software. It helps you to begin to filter and funnel people through an automated email marketing sequence where they get to build a relationship with you and your brand, and eventually helps you sell premium products that are going to add value to them and add income into your bank account. So it's really good, probably one of the best out there. And so in this example, I'm going to show you how you can build a free, okay, and I want you to, I can't stress that enough, this is going to be a free course. If you watch my prior video on Goodwill or the Costco effect and how giving things away for free is really the key to building an audience and getting people to know, like, and trust you, so that you can eventually make money. So in this strategy is still the same way. We're utilizing the free method to draw an audience of people that are looking to learn information on the topic that we are teaching on. And so here we're on email marketing on Udemy, and we're looking here. These are all the courses on email marketing, but specifically what we're going to do is go to Udemy. We're going to go to the ratings and duration section here on the left, but really we're going to go to the right here. I thought it was all on the same side, but I guess it's not. We're going to all filters, and we're going to look at what we got going on here. So the different topics of digital marketing, marketing strategy, affiliate marketing, right? They're all in here at the same time, but really we're looking at email marketing. Okay, so it says there's 428 free courses and 5,196 paid courses. Now, all these free courses are not all email marketing. Obviously, the digital marketing strategy and affiliate marketing. But we're just going to click on the free here, and we're going to click apply. Also, there's some in different languages also. And we're going to just get an example of the different types of free courses that we can actually put out. Alright, so here are all the free courses with the keyword email marketing right here, you can see. And we're just going to scroll down. I'm going to show you why this is a great idea. So look at all the free courses here. Tons and tons and tons of free courses. We have multiple pages of them, right? And what I want to show you is that even though these courses are free, they're still getting a lot of traffic. I'll just click on this one for ConvertKit. Right? If I click on that, it'll show me that they have 8,864 students enrolled. They have a 4.5 rating, which is really good. Let you know, hey, this course, actually has something to it. And it's all for free. And what's important about this, like I said in previous videos, that they have access 4 times a month to send emails to all of their students. So think about it. If you have the access, right, the ability to send 4 emails a month to 8,864 people, that's really powerful. Okay, and so that's kind of what we're going to be able to leverage in this strategy also. So the idea with this strategy is to become an affiliate of one of these email marketing services. So specifically, we're going to pick GetResponse, right? So this is kind of what I'm used to. This is what I use as an affiliate program. We're going to look at GetResponse's affiliate program and how you can get paid utilizing that. And so they have 2 different styles of affiliate program. They have the bounty program, which is a flat rate of $1 for each person that, or excuse me, $100 for each person that you refer, right? That takes their free account and begins to utilize that and eventually goes on to being paid. Or you have the reoccurring 33% commission. Now, I signed up for the $100 flat rate. I just want to get paid and and go on from there. But you can pick between either one that you want. But the example is this: say you referred 5 people, just 5 people a month, that decided to take GetResponse up on their service, and GetResponse is going to give you $100 per person. Now, the way we're going to encourage them to do that is that through these courses, we're going to create an awesome course that is going to be extremely detailed. It's going to be user friendly. It's going to be beginner friendly, and it's going to really give them the confidence and courage to actually start an email marketing campaign for whatever business that they're doing. And because that we're showing them exactly how to do that, inside of the course, we're going to have links to our affiliate program, right? So it's going to be a link that says, hey, open your free account today. Now, GetResponse gives them, I think it's a 14 or 30-day free trial, and it allows them to try the service out for free. And we're going to give them that courage, that confidence. It's going to let them say, hey, you know what, I can actually do this. I actually see how this can actually happen, and I can use this email marketing service to actually build my business. And that's our goal, is to teach them, to show them, hey, this is a valuable tool in their business. And so they're going to get, like I said, the confidence to do it, and then we're going to give them the opportunity to actually get it started by putting our links inside of the course. And you can do this. So that's the other ninja tactic that people don't know about Udemy, is that you can put your links, right, to other content upgrades. And so in this case, we're going to put our links to our affiliate program to GetResponse. And what's cool about that is we're going to give them a free trial. And so it does not infringe on the terms and services on Udemy. So we're going to sprinkle those through the course at different points in the course. That's going to always give them that opportunity to get started right now. We're going to encourage them through some of the videos in the course to get started right now, take action on your affiliate marketing campaigns, and we're going to put our affiliate link in there, and when people click on it and get started, we're going to get paid. Now, can you refer at least 5 people a month? A lot of these courses, I'll give you an example. Let's show you my course, right? So you know that I'm practicing what I preach. This is a course that I created called the Affiliate Blueprint. You can see my name here, and I think they have my pretty little mug down here. They don't have my picture there. Oh, it's too bad. Oh, there we go. Hold on. Instructor. There we go. There's my that is my picture right there. But anyways, that's not the point. The point is I created a free course. I have 2,100 students. I made it this month, so it's fairly recent, and it's still gaining more students as the days go on. But that's 2,000 people that I have access to email 4 times a month to about affiliate marketing. I've also have my affiliate links sprinkled through the course, which I've already made income with. And so the strategy works. I'm showing you guys a way where you can give away value, right? Teach people how to use, like I said, an email marketing service where they can build their business. You create the course, give it away for free, sprinkle your affiliate links in there, and when people take it up, say example, if you got the $100 flat rate, you'll get paid $100 every time someone takes it up. So the point is, you're going to get thousands of people that are going to join your course. All you need to do is just get a handful of those people, and you're going to begin to make $500 to $1,000. I mean, each person being $100, 5 of them is already $500. If you can do that per month, every time a month, that's $500. If you can do 10, that's $1,000 a month. Trust me, you're going to be able to do that. Once you put the course together and they get the courage to begin to create it themselves, then you're going to be making money, because they're going to want to take you up on the opportunity to get started, and you're going to get compensated as an affiliate. Now, how do you make this happen? Well, you make it happen. Say, hey, you may not be an expert at GetResponse. All you do, okay, and this is where this really gets cool, is it doesn't cost you anything. Here's a course right here on GetResponse. It doesn't really cost you anything. It doesn't cost you anything at all to join one of these free courses, right? And that's exactly how you're going to do it. All right, so this course here, right, GetResponse email marketing course, all you need to do is enroll in here, take the course, model yourself after this entire course, right? Take notes, study each module, see how they lay out the course, and literally, guys, create your own course with the same style that these guys are doing it. I mean, you can do that for as many free courses on email marketing as you want. Get really good notes and just begin to build out your own course. It's that simple, guys. And you're going to be able to put your affiliate links from GetResponse inside of the course, and you are going to be able to benefit and profit as a result. These people have 4,900, almost 5,000 students, again, that they're emailing 4 times a month. And the way you're going to email them too, this is the other strategy. You not only have your affiliate links inside of the course, right? Sprinkled through the resource section, you'll see when you begin to build your course out how easy that is. But you're going to be able to email them reminders. I said, hey guys, I hope you guys are enjoying the course. Just want to remind you to take action, get started with GetResponse, and again, give them the link to get started, which is your affiliate link where you are getting paid 1,000 or 100 or 33% of their reoccurring monthly fee. That's it, guys, and you get to do this again and again and again, month after month after month. If you come out with multiple courses on the same thing, building your students up to 10 to 20,000, come on, you can easily get to that 500 to $1,000 a month reoccurring commissions with this type of strategy. This is a ninja tactic, guerrilla strategy. It works fantastically, and Udemy is a gold mine. All right, so I'm going to stop this video here. I think I've said enough. I think you guys got enough to get going. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, we're always giving value on this channel. Also, guys, in the future, I'm going to show you exactly a breakdown on exactly how you would do this or how I would do this. So if you're looking for a way to model yourself and not exactly sure what I mean, I'll show you another video in the future. So stay tuned to that. All right, we'll see you guys on the next video.